Tech Insights is excited to share we have the new Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra in our labs. At the Samsung launch event, Samsung introduced its new wearable Exynos processor only by the processor specs, never mentioning the name of the new 5-core processor part number. And we're not sure if it is a purposeful omission or just an oversight, but Samsung's webpage also does not list the new Galaxy Watch Ultra's processor part number. We believe the Galaxy Watch Ultra and the new Galaxy Watch 7 processor is the new Exynos W1000 processor, a 5-core, 3nm processor with an embedded LTE modem. But without Samsung's confirmation about what powers its new smartwatches, Tech Insights has ordered both the Galaxy Watch Ultra and the Samsung Galaxy Watch 7, just to be sure we cover our bases. Log into the Tech Insights platform and follow along as we get our hands on the new Exynos W1000 processor.